Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a whimsical 3D Pixar-style animated story using AI tools. It's super easy, fun, and gives professional results. For this video, I'll be using a story about a shepherd boy. But don't worry, you can follow this tutorial for any story idea you have. Before we dive into the process, let me share a general prompt you can use in ChatGPT to generate your own story scripts. Here's what you can type. I want to create an AI animated story about your story. Please give me a script with narrations and prompts to generate images of related scenes. The prompt should be well detailed and simple. Also add your style at the end of each prompt. For my video, I'll be using whimsical 3D Pixar style, but you can swap it for any style that fits your story. For example, if you're making a mystery, you could choose a film noir style. I'll add this general prompt to the video description below so you can copy and paste it easily. Alright, let's jump into the step-by-step process, starting with creating a script for our story. Step 1. Creating the script. Using the prompt I just shared, type it into ChatGPT with your story idea. For my example, I'm creating a story about a shepherd boy, a cheerful boy tending his sheep on a sunny hillside when he encounters a challenge. I included the whimsical 3D Pixar style in my prompt to match the playful and animated tone I wanted for the story. ChatGPT then generated a script with narrations and image prompts for each scene, keeping that style consistent throughout. Step 2. Making consistent characters. To ensure your animation looks polished, we'll create consistent character descriptions. AI generators can struggle to keep characters the same across scenes, so this step is crucial. For instance, here's what I wrote for the shepherd boy. Step 3. Generating images. Now that we have a detailed script and character descriptions, it's time to generate images. Using tools like Puman, copy the scene prompts from your script and paste them into the AI generator. Replace placeholder character descriptions with your consistent ones. For example, for the opening scene, I'll include the shepherd boy, his sheep, and a peaceful hillside, all styled in a whimsical 3D Pixar style. Generate multiple images for each scene and pick the ones that fit best. Step 4. Turning images into animation. Once your images are ready, we'll use Minimax AI to bring them to life. Upload the images. Add simple animation prompts like the shepherd boy walks across the field herding his sheep as the camera pans out to show the sky. Minimax will transform the still images into fluid animations while keeping the whimsical 3D Pixar style consistent. Step 5. Adding narration for voiceovers. Use text-to-speech feature. Copy the narration parts from your script. Paste them into clip and choose a voice that suits the tone of a children's story. Export the audio. Step 6. Final editing. Combine everything in CapCut. Sync the animations with the narration. Add sound effects like sheep bleating, wind rustling, or the playful growls of the wolf. You can also do voiceover by using 11 Labs. Include optional background music to enhance the storytelling. Choose something cheerful to fit the whimsical 3D Pixar style. Export the final video after editing in any software like Filmora, CapCut, and that's it. You've created a beautiful AI animated story. I've included the general prompt I shared earlier in the description below, so you can use it to create your own stories. Let me know in the comments what kind of stories you're planning to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone interested in AI storytelling. See you next time.